Hello everyone. Hi, how are you all? Very good afternoon. Welcome to Me and Math. Those who are being in the live session, please do respond to your message. Kindly respond. Please respond with your name. Myself, Danya, and it's a warm good afternoon to everyone. How are you all? Hello. Hi, ma'am. Hello, Viraj. Viraj, can you please say your name? Is this Viraj? Janvi. Hello, Janvi. How are you, Janvi? Hello, Janvi. How are you? Those who are being in the live session, please do start with your notes. Be ready with your notes whenever we are solving problem. It's mandatory to have a notes, isn't it? So come on, everyone, take your notes. Be ready with your notes. Come on. Fine. Thank you, Janvi. Good to hear. Hi, everyone. Those who are entered right now, please do place your message in chat box. How are you all doing? Welcome to Me and Math. Myself, Danya, and today I'm representing from Me and Math. Great afternoon. I would like to receive a chance from everyone. Those who are watching this, please do pin your messages. Come on, please. Everyone. Those who are here, please reply through chat. How are you all? Any idea of what we are going to discuss today? What is the questions or which topic we are going to discuss today? Post your responses in comment box. Come on. Any guess? Guess the topic. Guess the topic. What is the topic that we are going to discuss today? Any idea? Okay, it is about polynomials. We are going to discuss about polynomials. Okay, so it is very interesting topic. Also, we may get lot of questions over polynomials, right? Okay, so please ready with your notebook. Evaluate 2x minus y plus 3z times 4x square plus y square plus 9z square plus 2xy 3yz 6z xz. So how we can rewrite it? If we take a, b and c, it is in form of a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus AB plus BC plus CA, right? So it is in form of this. How we can rewrite it? Now we have an identity guess, right? So how we can rewrite it? That we are going to discuss now. Okay, evaluate. 2x minus y plus 3 is it? Let me write the question here. 2x minus y plus 3 is it? Times 4x square plus y square plus 9z square. 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus of minus 2xy minus of minus plus 3yz minus 6xz. Right? This is our question. How we came with these headings? It because it is in form of a plus b plus c times a square plus b square plus c square plus, it's not plus, it is minus. Minus ab minus bc minus ca. Right. Minus ab minus bc minus ca. Right. So, if this is our RHS, what would be the LHS? Our LHS will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? This is the expansion. For the particular identity, we can rewrite it as a plus b plus c times a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So now this is my entire term. I can rewrite this RHS in form of this one. Isn't it? So, what is the value of a? It is 2x. So, 2x the whole cube plus, what is the value of b? Minus y. Minus y the whole cube plus 3z the whole cube minus 3 times of 2x into minus y into 3z. Right. Just multiply it. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8x cube minus y cube plus 27z cube minus 6x. Okay, we can multiply together instead of writing like this. Minus 3 times xy is it? 6 minus 6xy is it? Is nothing but 8x cube minus y cube plus 27z cube plus 18xy is our answer. So only y is negative and the rest of the terms are positive. So what would be our solution? Only y is negative. So either it will be A or B and the rest is positive. So only the chances B. Our right answer is option B. Okay? Any doubts in this? Those who are having your doubts, please post your doubts on chat box. Yes, come on everyone. Good? Great. The next one. So, any doubts in this question? Hope it is clear as it is in form of a plus b plus c times a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We are rewriting it as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now, the second question. The second question. The polynomial, yes, those who are entered right now, please do reply in chat box. A very good afternoon, everyone. Please reply in chat box. What is your name and where are you from? Come on. Okay, the second question. the polynomial p of x equals x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus 3a minus 7 when divided by x plus 1. What does mean by x plus 1? X plus 1 being a divisor of this polynomial. It leaves the remainder 19. Okay, what it gives? It leaves the remainder 19. Find the value of a. Okay, so we can solve the question part by part. Okay, we can take the polynomial, this entire polynomial, and it is divided by x plus 1, which leaves the remainder 19. Now, our first work is to find the value of this a. Okay, so those who know the answer or those who are working on the answer, come on, respond through chat. You can share your ideas. Come on. We have certain options. So first we can rewrite the polynomial. The polynomial p of x equals x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax minus 3a, plus 3a minus 7 plus 3a minus 7. Okay, this is our polynomial. This polynomial is divided by, this entire polynomial is divided by x plus 1, which leaves the remainder 19. That leaves the remainder 19. Now our work is to find the value of a. We need to find the value of a. How we can find the value? What we know, if x plus 1 is a factor or if x plus 1 divides, we can say that x plus 1 equals to 0. So what will be the value of x? If x plus 1 equals to 0, then what x equals to? Come on, respond through chat. What x equals to? Yes, x equals to minus 1, right? Now we can substitute this minus 1 and instead of p of x, we can write our remainder using our remainder theorem, right? Minus 1 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 times of minus 1 square minus 8 times of minus 1 plus 3 times of a, we don't have x, minus 7 equals 90. So 1 minus 2 times of minus 1 cube is nothing but minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 square turns to plus 1. Minus into minus plus a plus 3a minus 7 equals 19. Now we can rewrite it. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4a plus minus 7 equals 19, right? So 3 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Isn't it? 5 plus 1, 6. So 4a minus 1. How? Because it is plus 6 minus 7 equals to 90. I can write it as 4a minus 1 equals 19. 4a equals 20. A equals 5. Now we found value of a, isn't it? So we can rewrite our polynomial. Now our polynomial turns to p of x equals x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 15 minus 7. What is 15 minus 7? That is 8. So x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 8 is our required polynomial. We can just highlight it. This is our required polynomial. Okay, let it be in corner. Once we found the value of a, we just replace it and we found the polynomial. Now, what is given? Now, it is given that B question, find the remainder when p of x is divided by x plus 2. So, if p of x is divided by x plus 2, what will be the remainder? We need to find the remainder. Okay, so how we can solve this? The same polynomial, we found the value of a. After replacing that, we are taking this polynomial and we are going to divide it by x plus 2. Okay. Instead of this polynomial, we will be replacing our highlighted polynomial which we found at last, right? Because that is our respective polynomial. If the particular polynomial is divided by x plus 2, what will be the remainder? That is what our question is, right? So first we can take our polynomial and here we need to find the remainder. What will be the remainder? That we need to find it, right? Yes. So if we take that, this is our respective polynomial. P of x equals x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 8. I need to find the remainder if it is divided by x plus 2. Isn't it? If it is divided by x plus 2. If it is divided by x plus 2 means, which means our x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 2 equals to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. We can substitute this value. So, P of x equals to minus 2 the whole power 4 minus 2 times minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 times minus 2 the whole square minus 5 times minus 2 minus 8. 2 power 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 4 square, that is 60. Minus 2 into minus 8 plus 3 into 4 plus 10 minus 8. So, now if we substitute 16 plus 16 plus 12 plus 2. I am just using the integer. 16 plus 16 is 32 plus 14. Answer is 46, right? Minus 2 power 4 is 16. Minus 2 cube is 8. Minus 8. So, minus 2 into minus 8 turns to plus 16. Plus 12. Plus 8. Plus 10. And minus 8. Sorry, it is plus 8. Why I took it as minus? So, here it will be 18. 12 plus 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. And it is 62. Okay. This is our polynomial. And if we divide by x plus 2, we get our remainder as 62. Right? So, what is the right answer? We found our a value. What was our a value? Okay. We found our a value as 5 and the remainder as 62. So, which option suits it? Option C, 5 and 62. The value of a is 5 and the remainder is 62. Right answer is C. Hope it is clear. Good afternoon. Who is that Lucky saying? Hello, Lucky. Good afternoon. Please do say your name. Very good. Janvi, yes. If x plus 1 equals 0, then x will be minus 1. Excellent. Okay. Now, if a plus b plus c equals 15 and a square plus b square plus c square equals 83, find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Any idea of how to solve this problem? Come on. How we can solve this problem? Come on, respond through chat, please. Okay. So, it is given. First, we can write whatever it is given. A plus B plus C. Right? If A plus B plus C equals 15. And the next set is A square plus B square plus C square equals 83. A square plus B square plus C square equals 83. We need to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We need to find a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The same identity we used at the first problem, right? What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? It is nothing but a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Right? We can highlight this formula because this is as per this requirement we will be finding our value. Okay. The purpose of highlighting this is to be as per this requirement. Do we have a plus b plus c? Yes. Do we have a square plus b square plus c square? Yes. But we don't have ab, bc and ca. So our first goal is to find this. To find this, we are using our square identity. A plus b plus c the whole square. What is that? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? I'm taking 2 as a common factor. So, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Instead of a plus b plus c, I'm replacing this 15 the whole square. What is 15 the whole square? That is 225. Right? So 225 equals, instead of a square plus b square plus c square, I am replacing 83 plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Right? Now we can subtract it. 225 minus 83 equals 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Just subtract it. It is 142, right? E divides 2 equals a plus ab plus bc plus c. That is 71 equals ab plus bc plus c. Now I got the value of ab, bc and ca. Now our next work is to substitute this in the above formula. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals a plus b plus c times a square plus b square plus c square minus of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay? Equals. Instead of a plus b plus c, we can replace 15 times a square b square c square 83 minus ab bc and ca 71, right? 15 times 3 minus 1, 2, 8 minus 7, it is 1. So 15 times 12 is our answer. So we can multiply here. 5 2's 10, 2 ones 2 plus 1 3, 5 ones 5, 1 ones 1. It is 180. So what is the final answer? Our final answer is 180. Any doubts on this? Answer is A, 180. So the one where we need to work, we need to find the value of this a square plus b square minus ab minus bc minus ca. For that we are using the square property. From that we are finding ab, bc and ca, and it is nearly the work of substitution. We will get to our answer. Dear ones, any doubts? Those who are having any doubts, you can ask your doubts through chat. Come on. Any doubts so far? Okay. Now the next question. If a minus b equals 3 and a plus b plus x equals 2, then the value of a minus b into x cube plus 3 times of a plus b into x square plus 3x times of a plus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole cube is dash. Okay, so here we need to work a lot because here we need what is a plus b. We need the value of x. Only then we can solve it over here. So first we can write the question and we can see what else is needed. Okay, it is given that a minus b equals to 3. These are all given datas, right? A minus b equals 3. A plus b plus x equals 2. A plus b plus x equals 2. What else is given? That's all. It is given. What we want to find? A minus b times of a minus b times of x cube plus 3 into a plus b plus 3 into a plus b into x square plus 3x into a plus b whole square 3x into a plus b the whole square a plus b the whole cube a plus b the whole cube. This is, so from this what we need to find? We need to find the values, right? So using remainder theorem, what we can say? By using our remainder theorem, using our remainder theorem, I am saying if f of x divided by x minus h, if f of x is a polynomial that divided by a factor x minus h, then this f of h will be the remainder. We can say that the value of that h or the constant will be the remainder of that one, right? Why I am saying this? If a minus b equal to 3, therefore we can say x minus 3 is a factor. isn't it? Is a factor of f of x. Why so? Because it gives this value represent as our f of h, right? So we are taking that as a factor that provides certain remainder, isn't it? So if f of x minus 3 is the factor of f of x, I can say x equals to 3 is the root or the 0 of the polynomial. X equal to 3 is the root or the 0 of a polynomial. Okay, now we can add these equations. What else is given? A minus b equals to 3. A plus b plus x equals to 2, because only these two data is given, right? Instead of x, I am substituting 3. So a plus b plus 3 equals to 2. A plus b equals to minus 1. So I have a minus b and I have a plus b. That's it. I have my a minus b value, I have my x value, I have my a plus b value. Now, problem is on our head, right? Very simple. Just a substitutional part. Instead of a minus b, substituting in the given, instead of, let me choose a dark pink color. So a minus b, that is 3 times of x cube. Instead of x, it is 3, isn't it? 3 cube plus 3 times of a plus b times of x square. Okay? Plus 3 times of x times of a plus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole cube. Okay? Which is equals 3 times of 3 cube 27 plus 3 into minus 9 plus 9 into 1 plus minus 1 the whole cube. So 3 times of 27 minus 27 plus 9 minus 1, isn't it? So 3 times of 27 cancel. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 8 times 3 is 24 is our answer. Answer is D. So how we are solving all these polynomial problems? As per the given, what else information is needed to solve the polynomial or the expression, isn't it? So in such way, we have our a minus b value, but I need to find the value of x and I need to find the value of a plus b. So to find those value, I am using the concept of remainder theorem. If f of x is a polynomial that divides x minus h, then f of h will be the remainder of the polynomial, right? So using the concept by the given a minus b equals to 3. I am taking x minus 3 as a factor. X is equal to x minus 2 into x minus 4 by x. F of x is a polynomial, as x minus 2 and x minus 4 and x are polynomial. Okay, that is our option A. F of x is an equation, as it can be written as ax square plus bx plus c. f of x is a rational number as it is in form of p by q, q not equal to 0. F of x is not a polynomial as the exponent of x is not a whole number. Why so? Okay, if we multiply this, what we used to get? We used to get x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 divided by x, which is nothing but x square minus 6x plus 8 divided by x. So, x square by x minus 6x by x plus 8 by x, as the denominators are common here, right? X square and x get cancelled, x and x get cancelled. So, we can say x minus 6 plus 8 x power minus 1. Minus 1 is not a part of a whole number, so D is the right answer. F of x is not a polynomial as the exponent of x is not a whole number. There occurs an integer. Any doubts on this question? Please do respond through chat. Those who are having any doubts, we can discuss the doubts first, then we can move to the next problem. Come on. Okay. Find the value of a L so that y minus 2p is the factor of y cube by 4p square minus 2y plus lp. Okay, here we need to find L. It is given that y minus 2p is a factor, which means if it is a factor, that is equal to 0, isn't it? So this is how we are going to tackle this problem. So hello dear ones, those who are having any doubts, please do ping me over the chat box. Okay, so we can take y minus 2p is a factor, which means y minus 2p equals to 0, y equals to p. Okay, what else I have? I need to find the value of L. What else I have? Y cube by 4p square, y cube by 4p square minus 2y plus lp, minus 2y plus lp. Okay, we need to find the value of L here, right? Okay, so to find the value of L, what I know, y minus 2p is a factor. So if I substitute y equals 2p, this polynomial will be equal to 0, right? So 2p the whole cube divided by 4p square minus 2 times of 2p plus lp equals to 0, right? So 8p cube by, because it is a whole cube, the power will be splitted for both ones, by 4p square minus 4p plus lp equals 0. P square and p cube get cancelled, 4 and 8 get cancelled. So 2p minus 4p plus lp equals 0. I'm taking my p as a common term. So 2 minus 4 plus L equals 0. So we can rewrite it as 2 minus 4 plus L equals 0 minus 2 plus L equals 0. L equals to 2. Any doubts? No doubts, ma'am. Thank you, Janvi. Thank you for your response. So what is the value of L? The value of L is 2. Yes, these are some interesting problems on polynomials. Kindly make a note of it. Hope it is clear. Factorize. Here comes our next question. Factorize. X power 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 6. We need to factorize it. Okay, how we can factorize it? So to factorize, we need to find one or two factors, right? So how we can find the factors? All my values are plus combination of plus and minus. So what I can do, I'm just focusing on the product. Okay. First, let me write a question. X power 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 6. Minus 5x minus 6. Okay. What is my product here? This is my product, right? Okay. As minus 6 is my product, what I can do? I can choose my factor, which is being a factor of minus 6. First, I am working with x equal to 1. If I substitute 1 here, it will be 1 power 4 plus 5 times 1 cube plus 5 times 1 square minus 5 times 1 minus 6. That is 1 plus 5 plus 5 minus 5 minus 6. Right? Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Yes, this is being a factor, right? Excellent. Excellent. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So what I can say? X minus 1 is a factor. Now I am going to divide the whole polynomial by this x minus 1. X power 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 6 divided by x minus 1. Dividing first to choosing my factor as x cube, because here I need to reach x power 4. Already one x is there. So remaining is x cube. X power 4 minus x cube. Just the point of multiplication. Change the sign. Subtract it. So we used to get 6x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Now, to get 6x cube, I want to multiply by 6x square. So, 6x cube minus 6x square minus plus cancel. 11x square minus 5x minus 6. To get 11x square, I am multiplying by 11x. So, 11x square minus 11x. Change the sign again. 11 minus 5 is 6x. Minus 6. So I am choosing the value as 6. So it is 6x minus 6. Again change the sign. Minus plus. Cancel. Cancel. It is 0. So now equation turns to, our polynomial turns to, once it's being factorized, it turns to x minus 1 into x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Okay. Now we need to again figure it out, because our options are like this one. With a power of 2, 1 and 1. Highest degree itself is 2. High degree is 2. But here our degree is 3. So what it means, as per our choices, again we need to factorize it. So let me erase this. Once we factorize this, we will get to our answer. Now, again I need to figure it out, this factor, right? So, here my product is 6 again, but it is plus 6. All my numbers are plus here. So, I am choosing x equal to minus 1 here. So, what happened? Minus 1 the whole cube plus 6 times of minus 1 the whole square plus 11 times of minus 1, 11 times of minus 1 plus 6. So minus 1 plus 6 minus 11 plus 6 equals 12 minus 12 equals 0. So what I can say, if x is equal to minus 1, x plus 1 is a factor. Right. So already x minus 1 is a factor. Now I can rewrite it as x minus 1 into x plus 1, but before that we can factorize it. X cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Divided by which you found it as x plus 1. Right? So into x square, x cube plus x square. Change of sign, cancel. 5x square plus 11x plus 5x. So it turns to 5x square plus 5x. Again change the sign, minus minus. Cancel. 6x plus 6. Now I am choosing 6 as my factor. So again it is 6x plus 6 turns to 0. Again I can rewrite my factor as, initially it was x minus 1. Then I factorize it and I got x plus 1 into x square plus 5x plus 6. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Right? Now to factorize this quadratic polynomial, always if a coefficient of x square is 1, then the constant will be your product. We know that, right? And the middle one will be your sum. Once you multiply, you should get 6. Once you add, you should get 5. What are the two factors? 3 and 2. Just write this. X plus 3 into x plus 2. So our answer is x plus 3 times x plus 2 into x square minus 1. X square minus 1, x plus 3 into x plus 2. This is our final answer. Any doubts so far? Any doubts? No doubts, ma'am. Thank you. Now, study the statement carefully. What is the statement 1? Statement 1 says, if p of x is a polynomial of a degree greater than or equal to 1. Okay, any polynomial, the degree is greater than or equal to 1. And ax plus b is a factor of the polynomial. Okay, they are also given the factor that ax plus b is a factor. We have p of minus b plus a equal to 0. Let me verify. How we can verify? We can choose our polynomial as p of x. Right? We can find the 6 as we have given the factor. Right? Ax plus b is a factor. Which means ax plus b equal to 0. Ax equals minus b. X equals minus b by a. So instead of x, I can substitute as minus b by a will act as a 0 of the polynomial. So statement 1 is true. Is it clear why it is true? They had given a factor. So we are checking whether the factor is true or not. Yes, we got the same value. If I substitute this value to my polynomial turns to 0. So that's why I can say statement 1 is true. What does the statement 2 says? If p of x is also a polynomial of a degree greater than or equal to 1, then the polynomial x minus a into x minus b is a factor of p of x. If and only if. What does it mean? If and only if p of a equal to 0 and p of b equal to 0. What does it mean? X minus a into x minus b is a factor. Which means x minus a is a factor that we can equate to 0, x equal to a. If I substitute in the polynomial, p of a will be 0. Okay. Also, x minus b is a factor. I can say x equal to b. Again, if I substitute it, I will get my polynomial as 0. So this will work only if these both are the factor. That's why they are saying, they were converting to if and only if. Only if it's so, it will be a factor. So again, the statement is very clear. We can say both statement 1 and 2, statement 2 are true. Is it clear? Any doubts so far? Next question. Which of the following is a factor of the polynomial? Which of the following is a factor of the polynomial? Okay, what is the given polynomial? X power 4 plus 5x cube plus 9x square plus 15x plus 18, right? Take this, and what I can do as I can pick my options, right? My entire polynomial is positive, but this is one of the factors being negative. Two factors are negative here. Here also it is negative, here also it is negative. I'm going to verify with A, option A. Once I divide by A, I should get it as 0. Then it is a factor, right? So I'm choosing my polynomial x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 9x square plus 15x plus 18 divided by x square plus 5x plus 6. So, x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 6x square minus minus cancel minus 3x square plus 15x plus 18. I should get 3. So, I am multiplying by 3. It turns to 3x square plus 15x plus 18. Change of sign. Everything turns to 0. Yes, it is a factor. So, even before we are choosing our factor itself, we categorize the terms, right? It is negative, there is no chance of getting this as factor. Here the constant is negative, there is no chance of getting a factor. Again, both terms are negative, no chance of getting. So I have only one and only chance. So I am verifying the chance by using our division algorithm. Once we divide, if our remainder is 0, then we can say that is a factor of the polynomial. So what is the answer? A is the answer. Hope it is clear. Any doubts on this? Those who are having any doubts, please let me know. Come on. Any doubts? Okay. Factorize. This is a quite big problem which we can discuss in upcoming session. Hope you all enjoyed the session a lot. If you do have any doubts, please reach out to me. Okay, please reach out to me and you can post your doubts in comment box so that we can discuss our doubts.